Welcome to the Biotech Signals series of the Micromolar podcast. Today is Monday, August 10th, 2026.
Jazz Pharmaceuticals is acquiring Axio for $820 million upfront, doubling down on epilepsy and expanding its neuroscience pipeline. The transaction gives Jazz another potentially differentiated seizure disorder program and reinforces the company's strategy of building around specialized CNS medicines.
10x Therapeutics reported that TNX-103 failed its phase 3 trial, missing the study's key functional endpoint in heart failure patients. There were some encouraging biomarker and subgroup signals, particularly among older and more severely affected patients, but the top-line miss puts the program's regulatory path in serious doubt.
Silence Therapeutics reported a successful phase 2 readout for its gene silencing therapy in a rare blood cancer, developed with Takeda. The result provides meaningful clinical validation for Silence's RNAi platform outside the more established, liver-focused applications of gene silencing.
Sionna Therapeutics reported disappointing clinical results in cystic fibrosis and said it plans to conserve capital while evaluating next steps. The setback is especially important competitively because Sionna had been viewed as one of the more credible challengers to Vertex's dominant CF franchise. With another rival stumbling, Vertex's competitive moat in cystic fibrosis looks even stronger.
Sobi has agreed to a $580 million licensing deal for Innate Pharma's skin cancer program, ahead of planned phase 3 development. The transaction gives Sobi a larger foothold in oncology, while providing Innate with a partner capable of funding and commercializing a late-stage program.
Novo Nordisk and Amazon Web Services are expanding their relationship around AI-enabled drug discovery and launching an innovation hub in London. The collaboration will combine Novo's biological and therapeutic expertise with AWS cloud and AI infrastructure. It is another indication that large pharma companies increasingly see access to scalable computing and AI platforms as core R&D infrastructure.
3 years after Qalsody became the first FDA-approved treatment targeting a genetic cause of ALS, physicians are seeing something particularly encouraging. Some patients appear to be improving, rather than simply declining more slowly. The observations raise the possibility that genetically targeted ALS treatment can produce meaningful functional recovery in selected patients.
Cobenfy introduced an entirely new mechanism for schizophrenia, but Bristol Myers has reportedly struggled to generate rapid commercial uptake. That slower launch leaves an opening for Maplight and other next-generation neuropsychiatry competitors. Cobenfy's commercial performance will help determine whether pharma's renewed enthusiasm for schizophrenia translates into a genuinely large market.
Former BioNTech employees have launched a new cancer company with $25 million in seed financing, focused on virtual cancer surveillance and earlier detection. The startup reflects continuing migration of experienced talent out of major mRNA and immuno-oncology companies into new ventures.
Those are all the biotech signals for today. Thanks for tuning into the Micromolar podcast.